Friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie. I hope everyone is doing great today. Well, let's finish up. Now remember, when you have your chalk, always go like this, very lightly, and look how easy it is to wipe that off. Okay, it's very, very easy. Now if you notice, this one has a wide vase, and this one, I made it a little longer. But remember, your paintings are your own, and make it any way that you want. Alright friends, let me see, I'm gonna get everything's with the angular brush. Okay, we're dapping that out, damping that, alrighty. Okay, so run it through here. Alright, and then we'll come around, and again, push down, give it a little twist. Come around, and give it a little twist. Alright, press down, a little heavier here because I want it thick, and then come up. Oh, I love it already. Now, we're going to just come in like this. Alright, let me see, just more weight. And friends, anytime you're doing colors, if you want red or whatever color you want to use for your flower, please always have white. Okay, always have that white paint. Because if you do your flower red, then you take some of that red, put a little white with it, and you'll have like a pink. Now here we're going to, here's the point, we're going to do this, up and down, okay? It's like the little waves of the water that's going to be in your vase. Here we'll just make a little reflection mark, and then come a little bit like this on an angle. There you go. Wonderful, wonderful. Now, clean your brush and then come in with some green. Alright, I'm going to give it that stem. Alright, I got green on my brush. We're going to come and drag it all the way down. Okay, go over it again and drag it all the way down. There you go. Oh, friends, it's so beautiful. Now I'm going to mix a little white, okay, with the green. There you go. And I'm going to go over that, and that'll really make it pop. Okay. And here we go. Oh, I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. It's always good to work with a little white because that always makes things pop. And again, do whatever color flower you want, whatever color flower or whatever shape that you want to have for your vase. Feel free. Oh, that's too cute. I'm just loving it already. Now, if you want, and I'll show you now, I may just want to, let me get my other brush. Let's do an angular brush, different size. I'm going to come in with, because I still have some turquoise left. I just make a couple more rows and fill this flower out. What a difference, huh? You may or may not want to do that with yours. Again, it's your painting. You can do what you want with it. There you go. And friends, what I did after I blackened my canvas, I already did the sides and I did the top where you already had the black paint out. And that'll save you a lot of time later. You might want to paint the sides before you finish your painting. Oh, I love it, I love it. And then what I'll do, again, mix a little white. Okay, mix a little white, and that makes that pop out very well. And then you use the tip and just draw that right out like that. Oh, I love it. Friends, I hope you had a wonderful time. And if you want to put it on the easel and your paintings are going to make wonderful little gifts. Friends or family, or just do what I do. I put them on an easel and I just display them through the house. I just love it. And never forget, friends, that's my initial, L for Elaine. Put your initial on there when you're done with your paintings. Make it your own. Oh, I'm just so happy with this. And I'm sure yours is beautiful too. And I think I remembered everything to tell you. So again, you might always want to use that chalk very lightly. Sketch that out, even with your flower if you want to. And if you want more flowers and do more variety like this, that's okay. Again, it's your painting. Well, friends, I had a fabulous time. Thank you for joining me. And please join me on my next video. Thank you to all my dear friends. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye.